I am awakened in Vanoss! That loot crate is mine, Vanoss!
Oh, god damn it! Come on, we gotta move! Step on it!
You're not gonna lose me! No one loses Delirious! I will get you! Vanoss! Get over here! Get over here, little bird bitch! Take this!
Jesus, how did you even do that?
Oh, you are not gonna get this! This is not the end!
Hey, what is up guys, Vanoss here, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and as always, a big thanks goes to my sponsor, Loot Crate, for making all of these videos possible, and if you guys are interested in checking out a Loot Crate subscription yourself, feel free to go check out the links in the description, and also use my discount code. But besides that guys, hope you enjoyed it once again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.